Welcome all. Today in this session, I am going to tell you that how we can generate our test cases in the Playwright using the recording feature. For that purpose, first of all, I will take this sample application Orange HRM. Okay, and in this application, I am going to generate the test cases for the login functionality. So what I need to do, I have to enter the username, I have to enter the password and need to click on the login button. So how this is possible in Playwright? For that purpose, simply we need to run a command that is called CodeGen. The complete command is npx playwright CodeGen here, and you have to give the application URL. When you run this command in your editor, it actually opens a browser, okay, and whatever interaction you are going to do with your application in that browser, that will be recorded, okay, and you can control this thing with the tool that is called Playwright Inspector. Okay, so now let me go to this editor. This is my Visual Studio code editor, and I have created a blank file vidusi spec.ts, and now I'm going to run the command in my terminal here. So I run this command. Now you can see that it has opened this browser, okay, and now as well as you can see that it has opened this inspector, Playwright Inspector here. Okay, so by default it has written a code in the my inspector that await page go to and the application URL. Now you can see that whenever I'm going to make any interaction, it will generate a code here. So for example, I will go to the username, click on that, and I will enter admin. So I enter admin, and now if you go here, now you can see that this code is generated in the inspector window here. Now I will simply go to the password and will enter admin123. Now again go and check, this is also captured. So it is generating the code as well as you are going to interact with your application. Now you can see that we have a feature that we can add the assertions also. Few assertion is available. So for example, if you go to this tool, you will see that we have this feature assert text here. Now we have an option assert value. So suppose take the example, I want to make a assertion of assert text on my login button. So I will simply click on this assert text option, and then I will click on my login. So it will open a window that what text you want to assert on this particular element. Like for example, it is giving a suggestion that because there is a login, so you maybe you want to assert with the login. You want to change it, you can change it. Simply click on OK one, and now you can say that this assertion code is also generated. Line number 9, you can say that expect. Expect is used in Playwright to make assertions. Okay, so here you can say it is expecting that the text of the button should be login here. Now I will simply click on login button, and now my login functionality is completed on my application. Now just see that, okay, it is generating, it is going to generate the code because I have clicked on login button. So you will see that it will generate the code. Yes, and now it will generate the code, and now you can see that it has capture whole the code here. Now if you want to use this code in your project, what you have to do, simply you can use this button. This is a copy button. Click on copy, and now go to your editor. First of all, because this tool, this CodeGen command is running, I will make a Control C. So this is, you can say, oh, my tool is closed, and now first of all I will copy the code here. Okay, now I copied the code. Now I want to run this file, that is vidusi. So the command to run this code is simply, you can say this is npx playwright test and the name of the file. I will press the enter here. So now you can say that it will start running. Yes, running one test using one worker, and now you see that it has opened the browser here, and now it is going to access the application, and now it is little bit fast, so it will enter the username, password. Okay, now enter the username, password, and it is going to click on the login button also. Now you can see that, and now even you can see that it is passed. So that's why on the console you are able to see that one passed here. Now you know that whenever this is the feature of the Playwright, when your test case are passed, it is not going to show the report after the execution, but if it fails, then it is going to show you the report. But we can do one thing, we can open the report by using this command. So I'm going to run this command in terminal, that is npx playwright so report. So it is going to show you this one. Okay, this is the report. We do see spec test, and this test is pass here. So in this way you can see that you can record any application and then generate the Playwright code easily, and that code you can use in your command here in your project here. So now if you like the video, you can click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.